What's up you guys, I'm back with the Nykaa recommendations video. This is the best sale because you get to save a lot of money, and if you have a wish list right now, this is the best time to shop. So I'm going to show you guys all the recommendations. They also sent me this, क्या बोलते हैं, PR भेजा. हाँ, उन्होंने PR भेजा. It's not that great, but if you guys want me to show you guys what I got in this, I'll probably do a shorts video if you are interested. But मैंने अपने खुद के कुछ products curate किए हैं इस वीडियो के लिए. So let's get it. Okay, first things first, जो मेरे सामने रखे हुए हैं 2 eyeshadow palettes. I need to talk about them. First is Huda Beauty Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette. आज मैंने बहुत टाइम बाद eyeshadow किया and I used this palette on my eyes, and this is like literally one of the best eyeshadow palettes ever. It genuinely has such a good color story, and the eyeshadows are so pigmented, blendable. They work really well. This is so reflective, and this is the matte shade which is very buttery, very smooth. Huda does really good eyeshadows. पहले मुझे उसके eyeshadows इतने पसंद नहीं थे. वो जो 9 वाला palette था ना, I did not really like it. That was years ago, but I can definitely vouch for the bigger palettes, and this is total पैसा वसूल. Next eyeshadow is a recent discovery, and it's by Romand. This is what the palette looks like. I got it in the shade 02 Mahogany. This is what it looks like. So this is your like typical brown toned, very warm brown toned palette जो ये everyday के लिए perfect है. Honestly, this shade is a good shade for filling the eyebrows also. I really love Romand के products. I have some more products to share with you guys. The eyeshadows are so smooth, so buttery. No wonder it's such a popular brand in Korea. Like East Asia में actually ये बहुत popular है. And these are just like makhan, you guys. Like seriously, if you don't want to buy this shade, you can check out the other variants. They're of really good quality and they work really well. Even beginners can use this eyeshadow. It is such a good palette. I would highly recommend you guys to check this out. Okay, I have to talk about this, the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is genuinely one of the best things ever. I love using this especially in winter क्योंकि अभी ना समर में स्किन मेरी काफ़ी ऑयली हो गई है वापस से. सो विंटर में तो मुझे इसको यूज़ करने में बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया था. इट गिव्स यू दैट ग्लो फ्रॉम विद इन, बट इट्स नॉट स्टिकी. एक्चुअली मैं हाई पॉइंट्स में मैं इसको अभी भी यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. इट विल लुक रियली रियली प्रिटी एंड it just gives you that glow from within, and I think in my opinion it is a little better than the Charlotte Tilbury जो उसका Halo Liquid Glow है. I don't know what it's called, but you get me, right? See, this is the e.l.f. one right here. It just gives you that glow from within. You are healthy, you have 8 glasses of water every day type of look, which I really am into. A quick shout out to my favorite powder right now, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation Powder. Oh my goodness, this is what it looks like. You guys can see how much I've used this. मतलब यहाँ पे एक dip आ गया है. मैं इसको इतना यूज़ करती हूँ. Oh my god, I've almost hit pan, which tells you exactly how much I love this product. My shade is, it's just Vanilla 120. इसमें ना इसका जो एप्लीकेटर है ना ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है, एंड यू कैन जस्ट यूज़ इट एज फाउंडेशन. आई यूज़ इट टू सेट माई कंसीलर, बट मैंने आज जैसे कंसीलर लगाया है इसको बाकी के पूरे फेस पे लगाया है, एंड इट जस्ट गिव्स मी दिस फ्लॉलेस लुकिंग बेस. इट हाइड्स ऑल द imperfections. It has really good coverage, but the best thing is it's very light, so it does not sit on your face like a very cakey product. And this is just an overall 10 on 10 type of powder that you can use like a setting powder. You can use it as a foundation. You can also use this on top of liquid products. Really love this, dude. I'm literally going out of order because I want to talk about this primer. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको सारे products दिखा रही हूँ जो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ. Like look at how much I've used this product, and you need the tiniest bit of product. This is the Benefit Pore Freshener Primer, and ये इनका mini size है, and इनका mini size इतने टाइम से चल रहा है because I need the tiniest amount on my T-zone and on my cheeks जहाँ पे मुझे open pores है. It gives you a very smooth looking finish, and it is definitely worth the money. I've used a lot of pore filling primers, but nothing sits on my skin as good as this does, and it's just one of its kind. I get the hype, and this will be the perfect time to get Benefit products as well. If you have oily, acne prone skin, if you have a lot of texture or open pores, definitely get this one. Okay, next is my favorite bronzer right now, and this is the Bahama Mama by The Balm. I had the smaller size, and वो I think मैंने अपनी sister को दे दिया था, so उसके बाद I just got the full size. ये अभी discount पे चल रहा है, and this is literally one of the best bronzers that I've ever used. This is not too warm, this is not too cool tone. It is the perfect shade to give you that contour bronzed look. Sometimes I also use this as eyeshadow, and इसका packaging इतना convenient है. You can easily travel with this, and just overall such a good product. So next I have my favorite mascara, the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. Now this comes in like different sets. तो आप या तो सेट खरीद सकते हो जिसमें आपको ये ट्रैवल साइज मिल जाएगा, या तो आप इसको इंडिविजुअली खरीद सकते हो फुल साइज में. बोथ हैव डिस्काउंट्स एंड ऑफर्स गोइंग ऑन. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट हाई एंड मस्काराज आई हैव एवर यूज्ड. आई हैव रीपर्चेज्ड दिस. आप देख सकते हो मेरी लैशेस में मैंने आज यही लगाया है, एंड इट जस्ट लुक्स सो गुड. इट गिव्स यू एडिक्वेट वॉल्यूम एंड सेपरेट्स योर लैशेस सो वेल, एंड जस्ट गिव्स यू अ वेरी, जैसे इसका नाम है ना सुपर फैन, वैसा ही इसका लुक आता है. बिल्कुल फ्लटरी लैशेस लगती है, एंड इसका जो ये वॉन्ड है ना, ये मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. इट हैज़ लाइक द परफेक्ट bristles. Definitely worth the money, and one of the best mascaras that I've ever used. Okay guys, let's talk about my favorite blush of the year for me. And if you guys have watched some of my videos, you will know what I'm talking about. The Nude Sticks blush, and this is in the shade Naughty and Spice. I love her to death. I think अगर मुझे पूरी लाइफ एक ही ब्लश लगाना पड़ेगा लाइक क्रीम प्रोडक्ट में, आई विल गो फॉर दिस. नाउ दिस कम्स विद अ ब्रश इसके एंड में दैट आई हैव नॉट यूज्ड, बट इट्स जस्ट कन्वीनियंट. इट गिव्स यू इनफ पिगमेंट, एंड इसमें ना बिल्कुल राइट अमाउंट ऑफ वार्म टोन है, सो इट जस्ट लुक्स सो प्रिटी, एंड इट्स अ वेरी यूनिवर्सल टाइप ऑफ शेड, सो इट लुक्स गुड विद एनी मेकअप लुक. लाइक कोई भी मेकअप लुक में आई कैन यूज दिस. सो इट्स अ वेरी ऑलराउंडर टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, एंड इसका फॉर्मूला बिल्कुल perfect. It's not too creamy, it's not hard, it has the perfect finish, and it is super blendable as well. I like to take a little bit on the back of my hand, and उसके बाद मैं ब्रश की हेल्प से उसको अपने cheeks पे डिपॉजिट करती हूँ प्रोडक्ट का, और उसके बाद उसको ब्लेंड करती हूँ, and it just stands out every single time. I love her. Okay, coming to tints, my favorite two tints right now. First is by Etude House. This is the Dear Darling tint, and this is in the shade, so this is in the shade PK003, and this is literally one of the most beautiful tints I've ever used. इसका ना थोड़ा सा मॉव टाइप का शेड है, but oh my god, it just looks so stunning. Look at her, but it does not sit इतना dark आपके skin tone पे. It just gives you that natural flush of color. It is so lightweight, it is like water on your skin. बहुत easily blend हो जाता है, but make sure that you apply a little blend the area first and then move on to the next side. ऐसा नहीं है कि दोनों साइड पे लगा दिया, क्योंकि tint है, so it will leave a tint behind. Also it looks beautiful on my lips, and on my no makeup days I just use this on my cheeks, on my lips, and I'm good to go. A really nice affordable product. And the next tint that I really like is by Kiro. Now this you can also use on eyes, and this is in the shade Raspberry Compote. I really love इसका जो ये big chonky बिल्कुल ये वॉन्ड है ना, दिस इज द शेड. Isn't that so pretty? बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर शेड है, and बहुत यूनिवर्सल टाइप का शेड है, so it will look good on a lot of skin tones. It also leaves a very nice tint behind, and like I said, you can use it on your eyes, cheeks, lips. So it's a one and done type of product, and if you are a tint girly, you will really like this. इसमें और भी shades आते हैं, so if you don't like this shade, you can go for something else. But I personally really like this shade. Before we move on to lipsticks, I want to quickly talk about this. This is the NYX Eyebrow Stick It. Okay, Thick It Stick It, that is what it's called. Basically it's an eyebrow gel with a tint. This is what it looks like. My shade is dark brown if I'm not mistaken. बहुत ही सही product है because it sets your eyebrows and it fills it at the same time, so you don't have to use multiple products. And if you're like me who hates doing their eyebrows and I just really want to be done with it, you will really like this product. One thing I appreciate is the quantity, because ELF का ना बहुत ही छोटा था and वो बहुत जल्दी dry out हो गया था, but this has been working really well for me. Moving on to lips, I only have 500 products for you. Anyway, let's talk about a lip balm. This is the Wishcare lip balm. Literally one of the best lip balms I've ever used. I have bought this twice क्योंकि एक मेरा खो गया था and I could not live without it, so I had to immediately place an order for a new one. This has SPF 50++++, and it leaves the most beautiful tint. It's not overly pigmented. It does not work as a tint per se, it leaves a little bit of tint. बहुत अच्छे से आपके lips को moisturize करेगा. I have the driest lips, so this works really well for me and I cannot recommend this enough. Also, this is super cheap, so why not, right? I have been really into lip liners and I really like this Huda Beauty का lip contour. This is in the shade warm brown. Such a good lip product and इसका ना retractable pencil है, which I really like. I mean, when your products are expensive, packaging अच्छी होनी चाहिए. Look at that shade. इस शेड को लगा के ना I can use any lip gloss, any lip tint, anything and it just looks so good. Such a nice creamy formula. She has a lot of shades in this. I'm thinking of investing in another shade, maybe a little pinkish shade. I don't know अगर इसमें वो Bombshell है ना, बहुत famous shade. I think अगर इसमें Bombshell है, so I will definitely go for that. Romand tints, they are the best in the market and if you guys have not tried their tints yet, you have to. I have two. One is this is the Zero Velvet one and this is in the shade Vintage Taupe. It's such a nice shade, you guys, and it gives you that blurring effect that I really like. Look at that shade. Such a nice shade, such a good formula. And the next one is this Juicy Lasting Tint and this is in the shade Bear Grape. This is the best selling shade. कुछ Korean makeup artists and content creators ने mention किया था that this is like the best seller. This is the shade Bear Grape and this also leaves such a nice subtle tint. एक और इसमें shade है Nucademia and I really like that. That has a more brownish tone. They are very natural looking, you know. None of these products are overpowering. They give you that my lips but better wala look and that is why I really like it. Like you cannot tell that you're wearing a makeup product. It's almost like it's skincare. For lipsticks, I only have one recommendation today and this is by L'Oreal Paris. This is the Matte Resistance lipstick and literally one of the best in the market. I'm wearing the shade Major Crush right now. This is on my lips. मैं जितनी बार इसको लगाती हूँ ना मुझे इतने compliments मिलते हैं. It's genuinely one of the prettiest shades and इतना अच्छा इसका formula है. I'm not wearing anything, no gloss, no tint, just this lipstick and my lips are not overly dry. It just looks so pretty and they are pretty long lasting. I genuinely love this product so much. I have another shade for you. This is called Snooze Your Alarm. इसका भी nude shade है but it's more on the peachy side. इसमें काफ़ी सारे शेड्स आते हैं. Honestly मैंने जितने भी यूज़ किए मुझे सारे ही पसंद है but these two are the ones that I gravitate towards the most. And last I have some glosses for you. The first one is by Mars and I have talked about this so much. I really like this product. I genuinely gravitate towards it even though I have like Fenty and Anastasia इन सब के glosses रखे हुए हैं but I always gravitate towards this product. It is so good. It's not overly pigmented and I think that is why I like it so much. It's like a barely there type of product. Look at that shade. You guys know I love nude colors only, so ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा shade है. This is in 05. Looks stunning. It's non-sticky and it's very affordable. You should definitely go for this. If you want a gloss that will give you that oomph, then you should go for this one. This is by Flossy Cosmetics. ये मुझे Nykaa के mystery box में मेरी subscriber ने दिया था and I really liked it. This is in the shade Chocolate Granola. It is so pretty. Let me apply it. Oh my god, it genuinely takes any lip product to the next level and it is so hydrating. It feels very hydrating on the lips. It's not sticky, it's not very heavy. That is why you can layer this. It works really well. I love this shade so much. They have other shades as well and it's overall such a good product. I was very happy after trying this. And that is the last product that I have for you in this video. A very quick recommendations video and like I said, your best time to get products that are a little expensive. I hope you guys like these recommendations. I did not want to repeat the recommendations that I have shown you guys before, so that is why I stuck to some newer products that I have not really talked about. But all of these products that I showed you, I have used a lot and I really love them. Let me know what you guys think and what are you planning to buy इस बार sale से. अपने recommendations मुझे comments में ज़रूर बताना. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.